Well, good afternoon, folks. Today, as I've been saying, I'm going to start hitting some bridges around Kingston. Been doing a lot of fishing docks, but a lot of the junk things get tossed away. That's found at the bridges. Fishing docks are all about the dropped lures and fishing knives and just anything that comes out of your pocket when you're swimming. But this is the spot we're looking at today. This is just past Collins Bay Road on Taylor Kidd. Bridge been here a long time. I imagine there is some stuff down here. And that being said, if we just flip over to Woodbine after this, there's another bridge. So if we got time, we're going to do that as well. All right, let's check it out. Lady Luck, show me what we got. All right, it's all you, bud. Just toss it and hope. That's all it is. Toss and hope. Oh, Mac! Yeah! Got a spoon lure, bud! Woo! Woo! Look at that. Oh yeah, that's a beaut. That's a beaut right there. Mac, you're a good luck charm, bud. You gotta keep it going.
Go for round two.
Woohoo! Love it! Love it! That's what we want. Deeper the better. We just found something pretty big. Mac did. He's the man and he's fucking good luck.
Lucky charm off his ass.
Alright, let's see what it is. Let it come off. It's still there. We'll get it. We'll get it. Nice and slow. They say nice and steady wins the race. Oh boy.
Fuck, he's heavy.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know what it is.
Oh, it's a big cut off piece of thick steel. Oh boy, look at that! Wow! Woo! That's cool.
It's friggin' heavy.
Yeah, it is. Look at that, eh? Like a big bracket or something for the bridge, or like a previous bridge.
Yeah.
Cool.
Look at the size of those nuts.
Jeez. Nice, man. Well done. Woo! Here's my thing, Mac. I want to go to the bridge over on Woodbine now, but my rule is you can't leave this spot until we find one more thing. If there's something in there, we win. If not, got to go looking for a nail or something so we can leave.
I think I got a nice big old nail.
We got a nail? Means we can go to the next spot. Oh, we do! Look at that, it's a big old nail too! Yeah! All right, we're going to the next spot. How you doing there, folks? We've made it over to the Woodbine Bridge. Mac, my lucky charm today, found that big old nail, which meant we got to go to the next spot. Nice little secretive area here. Maybe a spot for some murder weapons or scrap or nothing. I don't know. We're gonna find out though. Let's check her out.
You need, I got a safety vest in the car too.
That's actually, yeah, I left mine at home.
Oh, it's still pretty deep. First throw back.
I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure anyways.
Oh, that's something big.
Oh
Literally the kitchen sink.
my God. Look at that. Anyone looking for a sink? You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh boy, first throw! First throw, a sink! What else we got in here? That's hilarious. Yeah, just throw it by the car, I'll put it in the back. We got a sink! Woo! Just a nail. Stuck it up there. Oh, I got something. Yeah! It is. Did I get a magnet? I got a magnet! I got a magnet! Check it out, I got a magnet! I got a magnet! Woo! That's hilarious! My first magnet. First magnet find anyways. We just found a magnet when we were magnet fishing. Yeah, man. That's been great. We did over on Taylor Kid that bridge first. Oh, it was a pretty big, like, great demo job. Check it out, this one pulled an old sink on the first row out here, and I said we have to find one more thing before we call it a day. And I find a magnet, so. Yeah, man, it's a lot of fun. Oh, you never know. There you go, bud. Woo! I love it, man. Woo! Give it a toss, keep finding it.